Hello investors, today I'm spotlighting Isimi Lagos and I'm going to be showing you the beautiful things that has happened in this estate so far. But first, let me take you way back into time.
I wanna get closer, wanna come over, I wanna get moving, grooving, your folks disapproving, we can have fun, yeah, don't need no money, and we can be brilliant without millions, baby it ain't no closer, wanna come over, I wanna get moving, grooving, your folks disapproving, we can have fun, yeah, don't need no money, and we can be brilliant without millions. Get up and down, get up and down, get up and down and move around. Get up and down, get up and down, get up and down and move
Flynn, a renowned distinguished leader with the United States Army, once said that the world we see today will no longer be the world we see tomorrow. While his words were on the ground of his military prowess, the same captures the truth and the facts about the revolutionary legacy that is Isimi Lagos. Isimi Lagos is Nigeria's first polo and wellness city, the very first of its kind, and also the very first city that MIT is coming in to set up its first sensible lab. So if you're thinking about greenery, if you're thinking about sustainability, if you're thinking about rest, if you're thinking about relaxation, if you're thinking about health and wellness, you definitely should be thinking about Isimi Lagos, located right here in Lekpe. Now, I said from the beginning of this video that I have an amazing update for you, and first on the list is this beautiful Polo Turf. Now, this turf is bandly seated on about 4 hectares of land size, and from the 28th or 29th of November, Isimi Lagos will open its gates to celebrities, to dignitaries, to royalty from all walks of life to come enjoy the first ever biggest polo event of this season. This season will kick off in such a grand style, and you will see the affluence of the affluent coming in here to enjoy this activity on the 29th up to the 1st of December 2024. Now, this Polo Turf is one of the breathtaking amenities that makes Isimi Lagos the highlights of the city. Everyone is definitely going to be talking about this tournament because it's the first of its kind in Lagos, not just in Lagos, and also in Nigeria. Let's check out the lodge. Update I have for you today is the lodge. Now, the lodge consists of beautifully designed 1-bedroom apartments that is intended to serve as hotel accommodation right here in Isimi Lagos. This block right here, block A, is completely sold out, and construction will be completed by the end of this year, just in time to provide accommodation to the distinguished guests we'll be having, who will be attending the polo tournament on the 29th of November and the 1st of December this year. That's in a couple of days, right? Now, the block B will commence sometime next year, and of course we'll bring you much of this and that. And lest I forget, this particular project was opened up to subservient investors who took advantage of it, and they'll be getting return on investment annually from this hotel apartment. Now, just imagine the likes of Radisson Blu. Imagine that you have a unit or a stake of Radisson Blu, and it is being managed for you while you enjoy return on investment. That's what investors who keyed into this project will be experiencing. Let me take you to the next update, shall we? sustainability and van living, Isimi Lagos, every space, every corner of this beautiful estate offers you an opportunity to experience a lifestyle you will forever relish. So what's your stake here? Are you a citizen of Isimi Lagos? If no, then you're still in luck, because you still have plots selling at 300,000 per square meter, and from 250 square meter, 300 square meter, 500 square meter, or even 1,000 square meter, you can be on your way to being a resident and a citizen of Isimi Lagos. Let's show you a new way to live. Set your forever home in our favorite country home address. Now you can come here and never showing on your screen, and we can get you started to becoming a citizen in this beautiful estate. Thank you for watching. My name is Linda Ikuta, and this is Land in Nigeria.
Wanna get closer, wanna come over, I wanna get moving, grooving. Your folks disapproving, we can have fun, yeah. Don't need no money, and we can be brilliant without millions.